Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'll show you how to create fall ombre matte cut crease eye look. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I already moisturized my skin, so I'll start by priming my face. For that, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Cool as Cucumber and spraying all over my face. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation in shade Natural Work and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending this all. Now for concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, on forehead, bridge of my nose, on chin and around lips. Now I'm applying Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer Light on it. Then blending this all. Now for eyebrow, I'm using PAC Eyebrow Definer 3 colors. So first taking a spoolie, I'm brushing my brow hair. Then using this color, I'm lining my brow following its natural hairline. As well filling all the gaps. Then again brushing my brow hair to spread the color evenly. Then using concealer, I'm cleaning my brows edges. And applying eyeshadow base. Then blending it and setting with powder. Then applying NYX Professional Tinted Brow Mascara. Now for eyeshadow, I am using Makeup Revolution 32 Eyeshadow Palette Flawless 4. And first taking this color Burn It, I am applying on my crease area. I'm also applying it on my outer V area. Then applying on my lower lash line. Then taking blend, I'm applying it on my crease line and outer V area. Then taking Burn It, I'm blending the edges. Now I am cutting my crease using concealer. Then setting it using powder. Now I am applying blend on my lash line. Then applying Burn It on its edges. Then I am applying on top. Then I am applying Dahlia just here. Now I am applying blend on my lower lash line. Then I am tight lining my waterline using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner. Then using Burn It, I am blending lower lash line. Now I am applying Kiko Milano Precision Eyeliner. Now taking blend, I am applying on the edges of my eyeliner and outer part of my eyelid. Then taking a clean blending brush, I am blending all the edges. Then I am applying Muted on my inner corner. Now I am applying mascara. Now to contour my face, I am using Makeup Revolution Contour and Blush Palette and taking this color I am applying on my cheekbone, on hairline, on my jawline, and on my nose. Then for blush, I am taking this color and applying on my cheeks and on nose. Then taking this color, I am highlighting my face and applying on cheeks, on chin, on forehead, on nose tip and bridge of my nose. Now for lips, first taking Wet n Wild lip liner Brandywine, I am lining my lips. Then applying Wet n Wild Mega Lush lip color Pink Sugar on the center. So here is the final look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. And also like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.